Hi, I'm Your Name, and today I am going to share with you a green smoothie recipe that isn't just healthy, it's life-changing, packed with spinach, apple, ginger, and flax seeds. This smoothie is loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Whether you want more energy, better digestion, glowing skin, or a natural detox, this simple drink has you covered. And the best part? You don't need any complicated ingredients or special equipment. Just fresh, natural ingredients, a blender, and a few minutes of your time. Spinach, the green superhero. Let's start with spinach. Often overlooked, spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense greens you can eat. It's packed with iron, which helps fight fatigue and supports healthy blood circulation. It also contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as magnesium and calcium, which are essential for strong bones and healthy muscles. Spinach is a natural detoxifier and can help cleanse your body while giving you an instant boost of energy. Think of it as a green powerhouse that your body will crave every single day. Apple, sweet, crunchy, and powerful. Next, we have apples. They add a natural sweetness to the smoothie and provide a satisfying crunch. Apples are loaded with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you full longer. They also contain antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and support heart health. Including apples in your smoothie balances the flavors while giving you an energy boost without the crash that comes from sugary drinks. Ginger, the zesty healing root. Ginger is a small root that makes a huge difference. It has potent anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce bloating and improve digestion. It also boosts your immune system, helping you fight off illnesses naturally. Adding ginger to your smoothie gives it a spicy kick while supporting your body's natural healing processes. Trust me, even a small slice makes this smoothie feel like medicine for your body. Flax seeds, tiny but mighty. Last but definitely not least, flax seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with omega-3s, fatty acids, and fiber, which support heart health, lower cholesterol, and improve digestion. They also keep you feeling full for longer, making the smoothie perfect as a meal replacement. Sprinkle a tablespoon of flax seeds into your smoothie, and you'll get a powerful nutritional boost that your body will thank you for every day. Now let's make this life-changing smoothie together. Here's everything you need: 1 handful of fresh spinach, 1 crisp apple, cored and sliced, a small piece of fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 1 cup of water or almond milk. Start by washing your spinach and apple thoroughly. Fresh ingredients are key to getting the maximum nutrients. Slice the apple and ginger into smaller pieces for easier blending. Add spinach, apple, ginger, and flax seeds to your blender. Pour in 1 cup of water or almond milk. For a creamier texture, almond milk or coconut milk works beautifully. Blend until smooth. Depending on your blender, this might take 30 to 60 seconds. Pour your smoothie into a glass, and here's the best part: take a deep breath and enjoy that fresh, green aroma before your first sip. Drink it first thing in the morning for an instant energy boost. Freeze leftover apple slices for a colder, refreshing version in summer. Add a scoop of protein powder if you want a complete meal replacement. Mix in a few ice cubes to make it more refreshing on hot days. Experiment with lemon juice or a few mint leaves for extra flavor and antioxidants. This smoothie isn't just a drink, it's a lifestyle change. Here's why. Boosts energy naturally. No more mid-morning crashes from coffee or sugary snacks. The natural vitamins and fiber in this smoothie give you sustained energy throughout the day. Supports digestion with fiber from spinach, apples, and flax seeds. Your digestive system will work more efficiently, helping reduce bloating and discomfort. Strengthens immunity. Ginger and apple antioxidants help protect your body from illnesses, keeping your immune system strong. Promotes glowing skin. Vitamins A and C from spinach and apples support collagen production, reduce inflammation, and leave your skin radiant. Helps weight management. The fiber and protein content keep you full longer, reducing cravings and supporting healthy weight management naturally. It's amazing how a single smoothie can give your body all of these benefits, but when combined consistently with a healthy lifestyle, it becomes a game changer. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine was struggling with low energy, bloating, and skin problems. She started drinking this green smoothie every morning for just 1 month. Not only did her energy skyrocket, but she also noticed smoother digestion, clearer skin, and even a better mood. That's the power of natural nutrient-dense foods. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets, just simple, fresh ingredients that work together to transform your health. If you want to feel energized, healthy, and unstoppable, this green smoothie is your new best friend. Try it tomorrow morning and feel the difference in your body and mind. Share this video with your friends and family so they can start their health journey too. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, powerful recipes that make your life healthier and more vibrant. Your body deserves the best fuel every single day. Remember, health is not a one-time choice, it's a lifestyle. Small changes, like drinking a green smoothie every day, can create massive results over time. Your body is your most valuable asset, and giving it nutrient-dense foods like this smoothie is one of the easiest ways to invest in yourself. So grab your blender, make this smoothie, and start feeling unstoppable today. Cheers to your health, energy, and glow.